Welcome to the Royal Roads University Writing Center video tutorial on simplifying language, editing for concision. To navigate through this tutorial at your own pace, please pause and then restart the video at any time. In academic writing, authors often use unnecessarily complicated words and phrases to convey their ideas. While complex words and phrases might sound important, they can make an author's ideas difficult for readers to understand. Unnecessarily complicated writing will frustrate or even alienate readers. Since academic writing often explores complex technical topics, use plain language to convey your ideas most effectively. Remember, the goal of academic writing is not to produce papers that sound important, but rather to communicate ideas clearly and concisely. Let's look at an example. Bookstores provide the opportunity to purchase hundreds of books. In this sentence, provide the opportunity to purchase is an unnecessarily complicated phrase. What this author really means is that bookstores sell hundreds of books. This plain language version of the sentence is clear, concise, and easy to understand because the reader doesn't have to guess what the author means. Overly complicated words might also be specialized terms that are used in your field of study. These terms are called jargon. Jargon describes words that are unfamiliar to audiences outside a specialized field of study. For example, when a doctor prescribes an analgesic for a patient's headache, the patient probably isn't going to know that an analgesic is a pain relief medication. By using jargon rather than plain language, the doctor risks alienating or frustrating their patient. Just as patients feel frustrated when doctors use words that they don't understand, readers of academic writing feel frustrated when authors unnecessarily complicate their writing. So, unless your instructor indicates otherwise, write your paper for the general academic community rather than for a specialist in your field. With this audience in mind, avoid using jargon in your paper. Use plain language instead. If you do use specialized terms, make sure that these terms are explained or defined so that your reader can follow your discussion. Remember, the purpose of academic writing is to communicate your ideas, not just to sound clever or important. So, replace unnecessarily complicated words and phrases with simple, more effective ones. To learn more about simplifying your writing, please visit the Royal Roads University Writing Center website or search Right Answers for concision.
Created using Powtoon.